What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be making chorizo stuffed poblanos. Let's get to it. First, we're going to start out by cutting our peppers straight down the middle, leaving our stem on one half and the other half open. Then we're going to pull out the seeds and the guts. I'm going to place these poblano halves on a cookie sheet, and we are going to heat these up just to soften them up a touch for 10 minutes at 375. While our peppers are heating up, we're going to cook both tubes of a Supremo pork chorizo. We're going to add 8 ounces of corn. Add this into a mixing bowl. I have 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of cayenne, and 1 teaspoon of garlic. Mix them up. 2 tablespoons of sour cream. Back in the oven for 20 minutes. Look at these poblanos, looking beautiful. What we're going to do is we're going to take a mild cheddar on half and a smoked pepper jack and top these off. Put them back in the broiler for 5 minutes to melt that cheese. Here we have it, everyone. Stuffed poblanos with a pork chorizo, topped with a mild cheddar, topped with a smoked pepper jack. Unfortunately, it's Friday and it's Lent. I can't try them today. I'll be eating them tomorrow. Hey everyone, I appreciate you watching, and remember, catch you in the next one.